Regina again, and this is another video to sort of help you out with the assignments. I know that some of them are a bit challenging, so I hope this helps a bit. This is the Social Policy Critical Analysis assignment. I actually pushed the due date back a bit so that you'd have a little bit more time to work on it. It's kind of a significant assignment. It should be a significant part of your final impact project, the final project that you're going to submit at the end of the semester. So we just want to get this one right. Don't overthink it. We're just going to try to make sure that it's correct, and let me help you out with some of this. I did edit the assignment this morning just to help you out a little bit. I've gotten a lot of questions about it, so I expanded the definition of the assignment. So let's talk about the assignment. It is, and I'm looking over here because I'm at the screen, I'm at the assignment screen, Proposal Project Social Policy Critical Analysis. So critical analysis is a significant part of the text for this chapter, and I think that you'll see that. Okay, let me go through this a bit and see if it helps. So for this assignment, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to Google your topic, something that's related to your topic. For instance, I started Googling homelessness, and then when I was working through this assignment, I Googled homelessness, and then I got a whole bunch of hits, and so I chose the one that I thought I wanted to focus on, and it turned out to be a local statute. You can look at laws, you can look at statutes, you can look at local ordinances. You can do any of those kinds of things that you want. Just make sure you get enough information that you understand what the ordinance, the statute, is trying to say. Then for this assignment, so you're going to list the statute, the ordinance, the policy, and then you're going to actually list the pros and cons. Who benefits? Who doesn't benefit? Who would be in favor of this policy? Who would not be in favor of this policy? Does it have more negative consequences than positive consequences? You can do there are lots of different ways to look at it. You know, I think in the end it really kind of comes down to conservative versus liberal ideology. In the assignment, I provided you with the example of a TANF policy, and so TANF is Temporary Assistance to Needy Families. It's a guaranteed income, monthly income. So you look at that and you decide who benefits, who doesn't, who would be in favor, who wouldn't. Is it good or bad overall? So that's kind of how it works. You really need to look at the critical analysis section in the text before you look at this. I mean, I think it's helped, but I think it will really help you figure out what you're supposed to do in this assignment. Okay, so the other thing it mentions in this assignment is that this needs to be in APA formatting. That's pretty easy to find. You Google APA formatting, and then there's a bunch of hits, but the one that I liked, you choose the one you like. As long as it teaches you how to do, shows you how to do APA formatting, I'm cool with that. The one I liked was Purdue University Writing Lab. And you can get the information from there, including how to cite and all that kind of stuff. But I do think you're going to need to think this through some, and I want you to take some time with this because you really should be able to cut and paste this paper into your final project. The other thing is, I'm not giving you lengths of assignments like 3 paragraphs, 3 pages, 10 pages. I'm not doing that because you guys have such varied topics that I'm not sure I can specifically speak to what exactly the length of paper should be. You just got to cover it. And that's kind of it for that chapter. I'm thinking of a couple of things. One of the things is I think I'm going to start a discussion topic surrounding this assignment and perhaps others in the future. If you guys want to ask questions, we can do a discussion group over that, and I'll include it, and it will be listed under discussions on the Canvas side. I also want to remind you that all of these, almost all of these assignments are at the end of the chapter. They're adapted at the end of the chapter. Sometimes there's a couple put together, but they really are there, and I think that will help you as well. I hope this has helped you look back at the assignment, and it looks like some of you have submitted. If you want to resubmit, I'm good with that. I really want you to get this part correct so that you don't have to correct it as you go toward the end. I think that's it. Email me if you got any other questions, and I'll start that discussion group later this afternoon. Thank you, and have just a really wonderful day.